I'm doing number 17, which is to solve the inequality. So the first thing you do is subtract 7 from all sides, giving you 8 is less than or equal to negative 2g, which is less than 11. So you divide all sides by negative 2. When doing that, you have to flip the signs, because when you divide by a negative number, you have to flip the signs. So you get negative 4 is greater than or equal to g, which is greater than negative 11 halves. Now, for set builder notation, what you do is just rewrite this whole equation, but giving the equation from least to biggest in that order. So the first thing you do is, this is biggest, because if you turn this into a mixed number, 2 goes into 11 5 times, giving you 1/2. So 5 is bigger than 4. Well, negative 5 is bigger than 4. So you do negative 11 halves first. Negative 11 halves is less than g, and g is less than or equal to negative 4. And the curly braces. On the number line, this answer would look like this. Like I said before, you do the smallest, which is negative 11 halves, to the biggest in that order. So negative 11 halves. This is reading g is greater than negative 11 halves. So it would be an open circle going everything towards the right. An open circle because it has no line under it. This is just greater than, not greater than or equal to. This is reading g is less than or equal to negative 4. So g is less than or equal to. So it's everything to the left, giving you a straight line. For interval notation, since these are two set numbers, what you do is, since this is an open circle, you give it an open bracket, or a parenthesis. So you do negative 11 halves, because these are two set numbers. Divide it by a comma, negative 4, with a closed bracket. Not a parenthesis, a bracket.